Good day, guys. Welcome back. Now let's take a look at our GBP USD. We would want to see where the price will be moving for the next day. So if you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comment. I'd love to watch out for it. First of all, before we get started, I want us to actually do quick analysis on our weekly time frame on this GBP USD, right? So clearly we can zoom it out, right? We see that for some time this price has actually been ranging within this area. I think this movement started, we had this drop, came to this level, then we had this push up. This was around 2016. So we've kind of had this, back and forth movement where price will come to this top and come to this level, right? So price was actually ranging, till around 2022. Then all of a sudden, this price actually dropped, right, massively, and it broke out of this line, right. Of course, we all predicted that this price will actually give us a pullback to test this level, right. So if you are following this channel consistently, you will have seen it, how we actually got to this bullish move. So we've gotten to this level where I believe anytime soon, be it, let's say next week, I don't know, we would have another drop again. So but that will be probably in next week analysis we are going to be doing. So on the weekly time frame, right, take a look at this recent movement on this weekly time frame. What can we see? This is a bullish move, so we would want to take this price up. So what level do we want to see it to get to? Around this level on our weekly time frame. We saw that this price actually dropped to this level, then a pullback occurred, right. We saw that price actually broke below this level and a pullback came to test this level. Now our price is actually rolling to this level, right. Today is Wednesday, right. So that is an indication that we will still have some bullish move to be made. At least, let's say we still have at least 150 pips to be made. That is, we should be able to grab it by next day, which is Thursday. So when you look at this analysis itself, you will see that we are still on a bullish move. The bullish move is not yet over. So we still have a bullish move to be made. Now that will now take us to the daily time frame. So once you can see on this daily time frame, take a look at this movement here. What can you see here? This is clearly a bullish move, uptrend move. This is an uptrend move. You can take this as an ice. Price came in to test it, sometimes here. Price tested it, sometimes give us a drop. Since the drop that it gave us did not break this lows here, this previous higher lows here, since the drop did not break below it, but instead it actually pushes up. So that is still an indication that this is still a bullish move, right? So I mean, the price, we are still in the London New York section. The New York section is about to close. Let's see if it will close around a level of 1.6, 1.16820. So let's see if it will close at this level. So by the next day, once the price opens again, we should be able to close bullish, and let's see if price will actually take us and close around this level, a level of 1.19030. So I'm still seeing a bullish move to around a level of 1.19030. See, we should be able to make that move within Thursday and Friday. So the next day we should be expecting our price to actually close bullish. So we see it on the weekly time frame, we are still on a bullish move. We want to see it. And on this daily time frame, if you take a look at this movement, this is actually a bullish move. Secondly, this is an moving average, right? We all know the rules of trading the moving average. Once the price is above the 10-period moving average, there's only one movement to be made, which is to actually go long, right? So clearly we should go long on our GBP USD. So this is still a bullish move. And let's see if you can enter the trade on the 4-hour time frame. So it depends on when you're watching it. I personally think price should be able to give us a pullback first. We saw price tested here, right? We saw price tested this level, right? We saw price came to this level, kind of give us a little bit of a pullback. Maybe once the price give us a good amount of pullback, after it has rallied up a little bit, maybe for the next day, after it has rallied up for a little bit, it give us a pullback, test this level. Then you can enter and go long on this GBP USD. It is just my suggestion. If you want to enter long now,